Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make the BMW M3 GTR in NFS Payback. First, you'll need to get your hands on the right BMW M3 E46 model within the game. Once you have it, the real fun begins with customization. We'll focus on transforming its look to perfectly replicate the legendary M3 GTR, ensuring every detail is just right for that authentic racing feel. Let's get started on this exciting build. To achieve the M3 GTR's iconic look, pay close attention to the wide-body kit. There's a specific one that truly captures its aggressive stance. Next, select the right spoiler and hood. These are crucial for an accurate replica. Don't forget to fine-tune the car's stance and wheel size. These small adjustments make a big difference in replicating the legendary M3 GTR's presence on the road, making your car stand out. Beyond aesthetics, performance is key for your M3 GTR. Focus on upgrading the engine components to achieve maximum horsepower and torque, giving you that competitive edge. Then, fine-tune the suspension settings for optimal handling, ensuring your car corners like a dream. Finally, choose high-performance tires to provide superior grip, allowing you to dominate every race. These upgrades will make your M3 GTR a true force. For the finishing touches, apply the signature blue and white livery, complete with all the iconic sponsor decals. This truly brings the M3 GTR to life. After all the customization, take your car for a test drive and make any minor adjustments needed to perfect its performance and handling. You'll be ready to hit the streets of Fortune Valley in your legendary ride. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.